Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that 10th generation Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The active center differential pump, also known as ACD/AYC pump, in 2008 to 2014 models is prone to fail due to corrosion. The main cause of this corrosion is its mounting location, that causes the pump to be in direct contact with the rain and snow constantly. When this pump stops working, it causes the vehicle to handle very different than normal. The best way to protect this expensive pump is to relocate it inside the trunk. You can use a relocating kit similar to the one shown on the screen. If you haven't relocated the ACD pump in your vehicle, be expecting the message reading "4-wheel drive system service required" to appear in the instrument cluster when the pump fails or malfunctions. Number 2. The blower motor resistor is failure prone. When it malfunctions, it causes the heater blower motor to only work at one speed. Number 3. The upper timing chain tends to stretch, especially if the vehicle is driven at high RPMs on a regular basis. As the timing chain stretches, it causes the valve timing to be off. This can trigger the check engine light to illuminate on the dashboard and the ECM to store an OBD2 code related to engine timing. If the stretched out chain is not replaced on time, there's a risk of the chain jumping teeth on the camshaft sprocket, causing the engine to lose compression, which would cause the engine to stop running and not be able to start again till the timing chain is replaced and the engine timing has been set correctly. Number 4. The exterior paint in these vehicles tends to chip easily. Number 5. The exhaust manifold is prone to develop cracks that cause exhaust leaks. One way to stop this problem is to replace the stock manifold with high-quality aftermarket stainless steel headers. Number 6. The OEM clutch is prone to experience abnormal wear and premature failure, especially if the vehicle is driven hard or the engine has been modified or fitted with a larger turbocharger. It is recommended to replace the stock clutch set and stock flywheel with a high-performance kit that can handle more power in severe driving conditions. Number 7. Some of these vehicles tend to stall randomly while driving. In most cases, the problem is caused by a defective crankshaft position sensor. Number 8. The OEM clutch master cylinder is failure prone. It is recommended to replace the plastic OEM unit with a high-quality aftermarket replacement made with better materials. Number 9. The OEM struts tend to wear out relatively fast, causing poor handling characteristics and clunking sounds when driving on uneven roads. It's recommended to replace the stock struts with better quality replacements like the Bilstein set shown on the screen for better handling and longer life. This is also a good opportunity to replace the stock coil springs with a high-performance lowering spring set for a firmer suspension and a sportier look. Number 10. Many of these vehicles tend to suffer from wheel alignment problems as the suspension and the steering components start to wear. The most common complaint is the vehicle pulling to one side when driving on a straight road. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that Evo 10 vehicles are prone to experience. Take care.